Hello everybody, my name is Stefano and today I'm going to talk about my free time. First, I really enjoy practice taekwondo. I practice taekwondo in the afternoon on the Tuesday and Thursday because it help my relax and stay strong. I also love drawing, especially because I study architecture and enjoy doing origami since it's creative and fun. I also like going to the movies on weekend and sometimes I watch movies with my friend or family. I enjoy the technical drawing course and I practice drawing at home when I have free time. I also love traveling. I know Machu Picchu and I have visited Ecuador. I enjoy walking around new place and exploring when I travel. When I was a child, I love eating pizza and still really enjoy it now. There are something I don't like. I don't really like cleaning my room because it's boring for me. But I do like cooking. I cook very well. My mom say make delicious food to some Maris. My favorite free time activities are practicing taekwondo, drawing, going to the movies, doing origami, traveling, and cooking. I do taekwondo at the gym near my home. I drawing at home or at the university. I usually go to the cinema on weekends. I travel during vacation and I cook home when I have time. Finally, thank you for the listen. These are my free time activities and the thing I like and don't like doing. Goodbye.